Minista muveini wa useseei wa nthini ulani Kipchumba Murkomen niwaleana na mauvoo ma Kana na Ita Sya Jubaland ila syivaa nthi ya Kenya kana syisikie ni silikali. Murkomen yasya kana silikali bimo stalini wambe kwikithia kana vaima maisiulika nthi ya Kenya iwete kana teti maikandite siasa ikisangani ki na ke seneta wa Nandi Samson Cherargei wawete kana ki nikitonya kuete muisio wa mavithukia makio mamai Ben Mosao no kutuambisia vilingi wa mauvoo.
Minista muveini wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwaleana na ndeto sya kwithiwa kwa Ita Sya Jubaland kauntini ya Mandera aiwera silikali ivithukiie mbeu useseei wa mwene nthi kwa kwikithia kuina uma mauvoo Kenya na vala wongela kuweta kana ala meitha maimantha wivitho nimeutethiiwa kwa ngwatanio ya silikali ya Kenya na ile ya Somalia kuwa yumia ukanya yolua kulicha uteti unduni uyu.
Citizens who feel endangered run from the neighboring country run to Kenya, but we cannot confirm now whether there were forces of who they are. It only until you do proper security analysis and investigations that you get to know is it forces, is it civilians and so forth. It is also it's also important to note that such security issues are handled in as security issues. So if we reach a stage where there is any challenge, we will tell the country. But at the moment, we don't have any difficulty. The complaints that have come from citizens have been looked at. The question of occupation of school, there is no school currently being occupied, as a matter of fact.
We are aware the national government administration in Mandera have tried to hide that and denounce, saying the statement that was given by the governor is not true. Hiding the truth of the presence of Jubaland forces within Mandera town is like hiding the sun using your hands. We are here to give an enforcing press statement on the alarming situation in Mandera, the presence of foreign forces occupying our town. We wish to raise the gravest concern about the presence of Jubaland forces inside Mandera town. The illegal occupation has thrown our community into chaos. Schools have been forced to close, businesses disrupted, and families displaced in fear of stray bullets and exploded ordnance, as well as RPG penetration within settlement areas within the county.
Uneeni wa seneta wa kaunti ya Nandi Samson Cherargei na vala wendie mevakandika alikililwe ndula ukuwela ta ukuangelawia kwa kalima Mandera na Kenya yonthe aiweta Ita Sya nthingi ya ile itaulika Kenya na ni maileta kukwatwa na kusikatiwa.
I'm told in Mandera there is an invasion of foreign troops. I think that is a clear violation of integrity, territorial integrity of this country. And I hope and I want to believe that the Ministry of Defense is working hard with Kenya Defense Forces to ensure that we don't have any foreign troops within the Kenyan soil. Those foreign troops that have violated the integrity and boundary of Kenya in Mandera, they are now fugitives of war. They must be arrested and they must be court-martialed for violating the territorial integrity of this Republic of Kenya.
Mwene kivila wanzama ya itambungeni nene Nelson Koech ni umisi okulyo kwa speaker wa mbunge akati Moses Wetangula kumiti kilianzama ino kutoa isi okunikeli wateko likelelwa.
It is a concern just like it is a concern to the rest of the country on issues that have been raised. They're extremely weighty issues, and I do not want this committee to politicize extremely important and delicate security issues of what could be happening in Mandera. We will await to hear from the Ministry of Defense, as has been requested by this team today, and also the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and on its independent investigation by the members of this committee to ascertain the truth of what could be happening.
Vilingi wa mauvoo Atongoi TV nyenita wa Ben Mosao.